In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new workspace in Notion. If you're looking to expand your productivity setup or simply want to keep different projects organized separately, setting up a new workspace can be a great solution. Let's dive into the process, and I'll walk you through it step by step. First, you'll want to open Notion on your device. This is your starting point. Once you have Notion open, turn your attention to the top left corner of the sidebar. You should see the name of your current workspace there. Go ahead and click on it. This is where you can access various workspace options available to you. After clicking your current workspace name, a menu will appear with several options. What you're looking for is an option that allows you to add another account or workspace. Now bear in mind that the wording might differ slightly depending on updates made by Notion, but you'll generally find it in that section. Upon selecting this option, you'll be presented with more choices. Here, you'll want to click on the option that says Create or Join Workspace. Simply click it. You've now arrived at the stage where you can create your new workspace. Next, you're going to choose the Create a Workspace option. This part is essential, as it initiates the process of setting up a fresh workspace where you can start organizing your next big endeavor. You'll be guided through a few prompts asking for details about your new workspace. This might include naming your workspace or selecting a type based on personal use or organizational needs. Go through these details carefully to set a solid foundation for your workspace. And just like that, you've created a new workspace in Notion. Congratulations! Now you'll be able to toggle between your original workspace and this new one easily, allowing you to keep different aspects of your projects neatly organized. A little tip: be mindful when naming your new workspace, especially if you plan to create several. A clear and descriptive name will help you navigate your various workspaces more efficiently. Also, remember that you can share your workspace with others, which can be invaluable if you're collaborating on projects or working within a team. That's all there is to it. With your new workspace in Notion ready, you can start customizing and populating it with all the pages and databases you need. Don't hesitate to explore the further capabilities that Notion offers as you get comfortable. Thanks for watching today's tutorial. I hope you found this walkthrough clear and helpful. Be sure to subscribe for more tips and tutorials on how to make the most of Notion and other productivity tools. Until next time, keep organizing and stay productive.